Becoming a professional engineer, or PE, is one of the most respected achievements in engineering. If you want to work as a licensed structural engineer, sign and seal drawings, or take full responsibility for public safety, this video will walk you through the entire step-by-step process in the United States. By the end of this video, you will clearly understand the degree requirements, exams, experience, licensing boards, and state-specific rules required to earn your PE license. The first step toward becoming a PE is earning the correct engineering degree. In almost every U.S. state, you must graduate from a program that is ABET accredited. ABET stands for the Accreditation Board for Engineering and Technology, and it ensures that engineering programs meet national standards. For structural engineers, the most common qualifying degrees are: your degree must be a 4-year bachelor's degree from an ABET-accredited program to qualify for licensure in most states. Some states may allow non-ABET degrees, but they usually require additional years of experience and stricter review. After earning your degree, the next step is passing the FE exam, also known as the Fundamentals of Engineering exam. The FE exam is administered by NCEES, the National Council of Examiners for Engineering and Surveying. Once you pass the FE exam, you earn the title Engineer in Training, or EIT, sometimes called Engineering Intern. This exam tests your understanding of engineering mathematics, statics and mechanics, materials, structural concepts, basic engineering principles. After becoming an EIT, you must gain qualifying engineering experience. Most states require 4 years of progressive engineering experience performed under the supervision of a licensed PE. For structural engineers, this experience typically includes structural analysis and design, load calculations, preparation of drawings and specifications, learning applicable building codes, working on real projects such as bridges, buildings, and foundations. Your experience must show increasing responsibility over time, not just drafting or repetitive tasks. Once you complete the required experience, you are eligible to take the PE exam. The PE exam is also administered by NCEES and is discipline-specific. Structural engineers usually take the PE Civil structural exam, which focuses on structural analysis, steel, concrete, timber, and masonry design, load combinations, codes, and standards, safety, and constructability. Passing this exam demonstrates that you are competent to practice engineering independently. After passing the PE exam, you must apply for licensure through your state engineering board. Each state issues its own PE license. Even though the exams are national, your application typically includes proof of education, FE and PE exam results, verified work experience, professional references. Some states also require an ethics exam, a state-specific law exam, additional documentation review. Always check your state board's requirements because rules can vary significantly. Some states have additional requirements for structural engineers. For example, a few states offer a structural engineer SE license beyond the PE. Some states require extra exams for high-risk structures. Experience requirements may differ slightly. If you plan to work in multiple states, you may apply for licensure by committee after earning your first PE license. To summarize, becoming a licensed structural PE requires an ABET-accredited engineering degree, passing the FE exam, gaining 4 years of supervised experience, passing the PE structural exam, approval from your state licensing board. It's a challenging path, but one that leads to professional authority, career growth, and public trust.